One, two, three, and four. Hello, supermoms. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. If you love more hairstyle tutorials, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for notification. Whenever I upload the video, you will be notified. Here we do hairstyles from moms to teen to babies. And the most interesting part is you do it from your home, the comfort of your house. You can slay and your baby will look beautiful. So without delaying, today I have come with 4 beautiful hairstyles to your little one. So sit back, let's rock this hairstyle step by step on how you can do it. The hairstyle number 1 is Bantu knots with Afro. Yes, as you see in the video, very simple and easy. You can do it from your home. I went in to divide the hair into 2 sections. First, divided the hair into 2 sections, the front and the back. Then went into the front section. The front section is divided into 3 sections, as you see in the video. So after dividing the front section into 3 sections, I started to braid my knots. Dividing and braiding my knots, as you see in the video, follow the video so that you can see and learn clearly. So after finishing braiding my knot, I went in to wrap the hair around the knot to give me the knots that I want. And the bigger the knots, the bigger the extension, the bigger the knots. So that's depend on you now. If you put a small extension or less extension, you will have small knots. And then went back on the second section with my gel and hold my puff up. As you see in the video, guys, the hair is laying down straight, flat, and nice. Yes, and this hairstyle, you can rock it in so many ways. Let's say that you can do the finishing with braids and the beads, or you can have a long extension or long ponytail. It can work. Or you can have afro, as I did in the video. The way you see it, that's how it ends, and voila, the hairstyle is done. I hope you guys enjoy this hairstyle as we did. Look at her. Isn't that beautiful? She looks absolutely amazing. I hope you guys enjoy as we did. From here we go to the next. Next again we have Bantu nuts. I know. Bantu nuts, Bantu nuts. So now we have 3 nuts. 3 nuts, very simple, and I believe you can do it from your home and let your kid go to kindergarten. Beautiful. Okay, so the hair I divided into 3 sections. The back, front, and the middle. And went in with my gel to smooth the hair down. As you see in the video, it's already laid down nicely and just slaying. So the second thing I did, I picked one of her old socks. I know it sounds interesting, right? But what I did there, it's the socks, and it gave me exactly beautiful knots that I wanted to see and wanted to have. But then the front section, I did not use any socks to stuff in. I just rolled the hair around. And with that, as simple as that, the hair is done. I hope you guys enjoying what we are doing. So far we have done with 2 hairstyles. I hope this was helpful. Please, and if it does, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. As you see there, isn't it beautiful? The hairstyle is done and it is lovely. From here we shall go to the next one. Look at her. She's just happy. She loves her hair. So we go to the next one, which is the third one. The third one, we are having 2 bun. Yeah, 2 bun hairstyle. To bun is very simple. As you see in the video, just follow the video and you will learn much better. So I divided the hair into two sections, but I also added one section in the middle, line up from front to the back. And then went in that small section again. I divided it into triangles. So many pieces of triangle there. And if you don't know how to make your triangle shape, please follow the video to see how you can make your line as triangle. See there? Careful watch and you will learn. Very simple. And for this hairstyle, I use a lot of gel because I need to have a smooth and nice finishing. And there is a lot of dividing in between. So I think that's the reason why I have used a lot of gel. But all in all, I got the result I want. So how I came up with this triangle shape to come out more clear, wherever the triangle shape is facing, I pick it and connect it to the bun, as you see in the video. And the most interesting part of this hairstyle is also good for kids with the sensitive edges. I hope it's clear. If your kid is having sensitive edges that pull out or anytime it's just break, this one good because it has protective hairstyle at the edges. As you see at the corner side, it is braided nicely in. Yes, and that protect the edges from breakages. And remember, you have to be also gentle with the edges. Don't braid it hard or don't pull it so hard. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoy the hairstyle. So we shall go to our last hairstyle, which is 5 band or 5 knots. I think 5 knots. But this hairstyle is very interesting because it protects the hair and it helps the hair grow in a way that you will have some style, but it has braid in it. And the braid you put in it, it helps the hair to grow. And actually the reason why, because she has sensitive skin, sorry, not sensitive skin, my goodness. She has sensitive edges that can pull out, so I normally have to look out on something that I can protect her edges, and that's why this hairstyle comes so handy. Yes, so handy. So what I did, I divided the hair into 5 sections, but around each section I braided it. So I did braid, yes, whatever that is. Around each section, I must braid. This braid will act as a protective method to the edges. I hope that was clear. That was a strong English. But anyways, I did what I could, and here, as you see, that's the final look of each section. So which means that all of them will look like that, and you will have the hair last for long as 2 weeks maybe, and if you don't, maybe 1 week, and the hair it will be very well protective inside. And also I used a thread. I did not use braids. The most interesting part of the thread is that it keeps the moisture in. Does it make sounds good? Yes, it keeps the moisture in the hair in, and it doesn't dry out quickly. So with that, the hair is safe and well protected. And as you see in the video, after I braid the hair, I went in with my gel to smooth the whole hair together and tight it, and also I twist the end part of it. That's very important because the end part, the out finish will be determined by what you do with what you do now. So after I am done, as you see the hair is done, I went in with my beads. Yes, we have gold beads. Sounds nice and sounds like royalty. Yes, we went in with the beads and the hair is done as you see in the video. It's very protective and lasts long hairstyle. And with that, guys, I hope you have enjoyed our video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up and we shall say bye.